I just want to know, what is Musa Khawula's beef with Mihlali? Like, what type of bull brand has he manufactured against Umihlali? Like, Musa has been under the jail. He allegedly removed someone from Earth. He allegedly attempted to remove someone from Earth. But he cannot let Mihlali rest. I don't know if we must go to Likunutu, or we must go to Riatsotela, or we must go to Sistembi, because hi Ramashaka ra 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 fu fu fu. Yini? Ngiyani amukela kwenqubo yami bomuntu abakadadi bomuntu abakagogo bomuntu abaka-auntie bomuntu abakasisi. I am Serms, and it's at the right Serms on Instagram, so please follow your sister. I also promote businesses and YouTube channels. I'm sorry, Kamuhala, I've got you covered. Titi. It's important. How Yenina. Guys, can we really talk? Musa Khawula is always printing a story about Mihlali. Yes, never mind that more than half of the stories he's ever told us about Mihlali are true. But my thing is, what is making Musa go out of his way to expose Mihlali? Like the latest story that he has come out with, and then Dinewari, because he's got very detailed information. Before we break everything down, my favorite teacher, Obusi, is asking us to get her to 10,000 subscribers, guys. She's giving us vlogs. She's giving us fashion. Sana, it's lifestyle. It's educational. I love her. I love her because she is so consistent and she doesn't give up on her YouTube channel. And one thing about Ubusi, guys, she gives the people what they want. So you'll never get bored on her channel. Busi, baguette.
Hi management, I go by the name of Busi Toko, but my service, they call me Lavo. So please join my beautiful, beautiful family by subscribing to my YouTube channel. My content is all about lifestyle, life of a high school teacher, and also killing lot. So obviously, it's offer tips there if you need us. So I will see you guys that side. And thank you, Sims, in advance. Bye.
Okay, Sana. So allegedly, Musa is stating that Mihlali was in a rehabilitation center in Rodibot earlier this year to get treatments, okay, for substances we cannot name. Like her ex Leroy Sidambe used to say, Mihlali is on substances that I cannot name, right? And this is like not just Leroy who said it, but like 2 or 3 people like in the streets, they've been saying it. I just thought, hey, guys, what if it's like a Peter X? But this thing keeps on coming up and coming up and coming up and coming up. Very tainting to someone's reputation, mind you. Very damaging to someone's brand, mind you, right? So it is alleged that Mihlali was she like went there herself to receive treatment at this facility, right? And fine, she got the treatment. But my thing is, why does Umusa like literally go out of his way to consistently find information regarding Umihlali? You know, is it like I want to take you from there to there and it will be my job to take you down and remove you? Like, who appointed him? Who made him the bitter X? Because they've never had a private part collaboration, nor was anyone's voice in anyone's frying pan, because Umusa is openly issue is openly gay. Like, he likes to be in same-sex relationships. So you can't have such a hard on for Umihlali to like literally say things that taint someone's brand this much. Like, I'm shook. Like, now understand? I'm shook. Guys, this is editing Sims here. So as I was editing, something just like came to me. Mihlali's private information wouldn't be so easily accessed by Umusa Kawula if it wasn't leaked by someone inside Mihlali's camp. So I feel like Mihlali needs to look at her surroundings and just like introspect Uguti who is against it, because there is no way someone would have such deep information about you and it's not leaking from the inside. So that's what I wanted to like highlights because it was like, no, as I'm editing, I'm like, no ways. Even if Musa has a hot on for Michelle, it wouldn't be so easy for him to get such important information, you know? So, yeah, anyway, that's just what I wanted to highlight. But yeah, back to the video. It didn't even just start here. It started, you guys remember when he went as far as exposing Michali's home address, exposed Michali's phone number. A lot of stories that later on turned out to be true about Michali were firstly introduced to us by who? Musa Khawula. Yintoni ingxaki yalo bhuti, like ngalo sisi, like sendifuna ukwazi, like sendifuna ukwazi. This would be like me having beef nomakoti wase-Sweden, like unending beef. So I now go out of my way to like bash her and just make sure I nyampichize, you know, it is wild. It is insane. But yeah, guys, I just wanted to ask you, like, just talk about it for a second. Was in doing, guys, do you know when they accuse you of using Wi-Fi Makaleni, why user? Why, like, we're going to look at you very differently. And now we are going to start calculating scenarios and scenes where you were wilding out and crashing out. And then we are going to put two and two together because we did that one of Angie Muteja. Maths literacy, maths of sentences, maths of John goes to collect 4 oranges. He ate 2 oranges and now he has oranges, but he still has oranges. Yes, Sabelo, the creator, has also released a statement. He claims that these allegations are untrue and unfounded, and he does not have any recollection of the accusers, of the alleged victims, and he detests such allegations and cannot stand people who harm other people. Therefore, if he had ever done you anything like that, he is stating that please, by all means, go to the SAPS and open a case and let the law take its course. Because yena, umsulwa, uthi yena, ulingeloyi, angutwa, uli yena, ki ola, kolo ya Elia, tabe. Kusho Isabel, mafra. Mina ngizothini? Ngimangele nami ngimangele. So the accuser, one of the accusers came out and he said, my name is Obakeng. You really don't remember me. Going as far as showing us pictures, naming dates, naming places, like you really don't remember doing that to me. Ungabi ne-amnesia, Sabelo, umncane kabi ukuthi ube ne-amnesia. Ngathi iyo, Getha, what about Pimpop? Isawaland? What about Chili's? Yababaland? What about Nando sauce? I circle the same. Give my kids. Guys, let's talk in the comment section down below. I will see you on the next one. Titi.